Every plant needs a little of grow, but the least of these is what we show. It's the law of minimum, yeah, the vital truth. Growth depends on what's missing, not the youth. The law of minimum is what you need to know. The smallest nutrient decides how far you'll go. Find the key in the soil where the roots align. Feed the balance and watch the plant shine. Nitrogen is first to spark the leaf. Phosphorus builds roots down beneath. Potassium strengthens every cell, but if one runs dry, the growth won't excel. Calcium builds the walls nice and strong. Magnesium fuels chlorophyll a song. Don't forget sulfur, it's part of the team. Without the minimum, it's just a dream. Minimum is what you need to know. The smallest nutrient decides how far you go. Find a key in the soil where the roots align. Feed the balance and watch the plant shine. Even if most nutrients overflow, the smallest gap will still say no. It's not about the excess in the ground, it's the weakest link that keeps plants bound. Test your soil, find the missing piece, give the roots what they need to release. A little goes far when the balance is right. Feed the roots and they'll reach new heights. You see, my friend, the smallest thing can hold it all back. The drop of water in the desert cracks the drum. In your soil, balance is the soul of life. Find the missing piece and let it thrive.